Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a highly requested one on my feminine hygiene routine and feminine hygiene tips to get your private areas smelling good, tasting good, feeling good, and just being so beautiful and fresh. So make sure you watch to the end of the video for all the tips. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube fam who DIYs every Wednesday. Also, check out my website, anita-samantha.com, for free secrets, live sessions with me, and a $10 ebook with secrets I don't share on my channel. Now, most of my tips you probably haven't heard before except this one, but I have to talk about it. As much as I love my amazing smelling body washes for my body, you never want to place this inside your cookie, is what we'll call it, because it can really mess up the pH balance and it will have the opposite effect of making it feel, smell, and taste good. What you want to do is use a sensitive, simple soap like this Dove one. I will link it down below. I bought a box of them off of Amazon. I'll share my exact link. It was so cheap. And what I do with this, since it's for sensitive skin, is I lather it in my hand or in a loofah and I really clean my cookie, and I make sure to take my time, do it gently, and you never want to be too rough or abrasive. It is a sensitive part of your body and you want to handle it with care. Now, for something just as important as what you put on the outside is what you put on the inside of your body. So we're going to talk about what foods to avoid that can cause odor and bad taste, and things that cause good odor and good taste, starting with pineapple chunks. Pineapple has been known, some say it's a myth, but trust me girls, it is not a myth, okay? If you drink pineapple juice or eat a lot of pineapples, it can actually change the way that your body produces odor and taste. So I definitely recommend incorporating pineapple or pineapple juice in your diet about 2 days before you have any kind of event where you want to taste extra sweets. Also, the nutrients and enzymes found in pineapple are amazing for your skin, so it's a win-win. Another alternative for pineapples is cranberries, so you can drink some cranberry juice or eat some cranberries as well. If you want to prevent odor, I recommend staying away from things like red meats, beans, high percent milk, things like that you want to avoid to keep it fresh from the inside. Something you also definitely need is a lot of water. Did you guys know dehydration can actually cause a change in the smell and taste of your cookie? So you want to make sure you're constantly hydrating, and it's so good for your body to keep it hydrated, fresh. So make sure you're drinking enough water daily. Also, I have some amazing detox drinks. They're 4 powerful detox drinks I'll list below that can also contribute to making your cookie fresh and smell good, and it's so good for your health and body. Something that's also really important when it comes to washing is making sure that you're using a water temperature that goes well with the soap and your body. You never want to make the water too hot. Maybe for the rest of your body it feels good, but you don't want anything but lukewarm water or cooler water around your cookie and feminine areas, because this will keep the balance neutral, preventing any odor, bad taste, or anything like that. And I also want you guys to remember to love every piece of your body while doing this, because you are a beautiful woman and you should be proud and happy. Real quick, if you're listening right now and hear me say this, comment 4-minute mark in the comment section below so I can show you so much love and see who my true subscribers are. And keep watching, I have some of my best tips coming up next. One of those best tips is this Summer's Eve Delicate Blossom Cleansing Wash, specifically designed for your feminine area. And no, this is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money and I just love everything about it. It's a 5-in-1 product. It's super gentle. It smells good but not too much, and it's safe for your feminine area. As far as my routine, I use the Dove soap on a daily basis, and I use these feminine washes every other day or every 3 days. So this is is actually a cheaper alternative. I bought this at the dollar store for only $1. Anyone who doesn't want to spend the money on something more expensive can pop in your dollar store, and they should have this. It is a Summer's Eve knockoff version, and it works just as well without as strong of a scent. And it is also a hypoallergenic soap, which is the same type of ingredients as the other one, and it works like a gem. So I recommend always having a feminine wash and your Dove soap to make sure you are always keeping your cookie fresh. Next up is On the Go Feminine Hygiene. These are intimate wipes, soft and gentle, with the same brand from that dollar store. They are alcohol and paraben free because you never want any form of alcohol or parabens on your cookie. And this is specifically meant for your feminine area. So I'm going to show you what they look like. You can get the Summer's Eve version. I'll link below too. I have them as well. But I do want to make sure all my videos have affordable options. So these are the little packets. I pop them in my purse, pop them in my luggage. They're amazing for on the go and a super fast fix. I don't know what I would do without them. I just feel so fresh every time. I just want, to like sprucing it up while I'm out. So that is amazing to have and buy. I would invest in all of these products. Alright, my loves, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below your feminine hygiene routine and what you do to keep your cookie fresh and smelling amazing. And let me know if you want me to do a part 2. I have so many tips on that topic. So thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon for a new video. Mwah.